Hello friends, welcome back to CAD Practice. Today we are going to construct a sheet metal part model in Autodesk Inventor software and learn the Autodesk Inventor basic commands. So let's get started. Go to New, take a sheet metal part in millimeter and go to Create. Now take a 2D sketch. Here we are going to start from the front plane. So we'll select here the XY plane. Take the line command. From this center point, we are going to make a straight line, one line like this and one more taper line. Okay. Now go to dimension, define this straight as 20 mm. Okay, from this point to top this will be 26 mm, and here we will define the angle as 122 degree, and the angle between these two lines here will be of 135 degree. Now select this bottom, right click and click on aligned, and we'll give a distance of 20 mm. Okay, now finish sketch. Here we'll take the counter flange, as this is an open profile. This is a line profile, so we'll use the counter flange command. Here we'll take bit plane and the distance will be of 15 mm. Okay, now press OK. Now rotate to home, one more rotate. Now select this face, go to create sketch. Now here take the rectangle command, take 2-point rectangle and make a rectangle profile here. Go to dimension, define this as 45 and define this height as 15. Okay, now here we'll take the coincident, select the center, this green point, and select the center. Now finish sketch. Now take here face command. Okay, so this will create a joining profile and press OK. Now here I'll change the sheet thickness. Go to sheet metal defaults. Here the by default thickness is 0.5 mm. Uncheck this, and here I'll take 2.5 and apply. Exit. Now here we have the corner edges, so we'll make it all round profiles. So go to 3D model, take here fillet, and here we will take command full round fillet. So it will ask you 3 faces, both the side face and the center face. We'll select this side face, center face, rotate, and this side. Apply, go to home. Now select this, and select this. Apply. Now select this, rotate, and select this bottom, and OK. Okay. Now go to home. Select this top face. Go to create sketch. Here take the circle command, and on the center we will make circle of diameter 5. Finish sketch. Take extrude. Take here cut and press OK. Okay. Now select this face. Go to create sketch. We have not taken this face at once. Otherwise you can see here the hole is been made in taper. Okay. When I make the profile normal to this face, go to circle, drag the cursor on this center point, make dia 5. Here also on this center, make dia 5. Finish sketch, take extrude, select both circles, take here cut and press OK. Okay. Now this will be the profile. Now here I want a bend profile on this face. Go to part 2. Here we have a bending radius. So for bending radius, go to part 3. Select this face. Go to create sketch. Here take the line command, and here when I drag the cursor on this, you will find a green point. This will be center point of this line, and make a straight line. Now escape. Select this yellow line, make it construction, select this line, make it construction. Okay, now finish sketch. Here I'll take the fold command. Okay, go to sheet metal, take here fold command, select this line. So this line will act as the center line of the radius through which we will fold. So it will fold in this direction and about here. So I'll flip it, so it will fold this side, okay, and in this direction. And now I'll flip the direction. So this is to indicate which side will be folded, and this is to indicate where that side will be folded. Okay, now I'll give a angle here. The by default angle here is 90 degree. I'll take 25 degree and apply. Exit. Here you can see the fold, and this is the straight profile. Go to the front view, you can see the fold here. Okay, go to home. Now here I want the same fold this side as well. For that I'll go to the mirror command, click on fold 1, go to mirror plane, go to origin, and here I'll select the middle plane, the XY plane, and press OK. So this fold will become here also. Okay, now I'll define here the appearance. I have taken here the chrome polished. Okay, now if you want to construct a flat pattern of this profile, just click here, create flat pattern. So it will generate a flat pattern of this profile. Okay, so these are the lines of the fold or the bending lines. Now go back to the folded part. So this will be the final output. So this was a basic tutorial to how to construct a sheet metal part model in Autodesk Inventor software. I hope you like the video. If you do that, please do hit like and subscribe the channel for more such videos. Thank you.